Behind me is the V-0820F automatic beam assembly and welding line. This line handles beams with flange widths up to 800 mm and web heights up to 2000 mm. It features an automatic feeding system, automatic flipping system, and laser-guided clamping and welding modules for beam assembly. Overview of the V-0820F line. 1. Automatic material loader. 2. Input conveyor roller, pre-welding station. 3. Web flipping system. 4. Main pre-welding station. 5. Output conveyor roller, pre-welding station. 6. Beam flipping and transfer system. 7. Input conveyor roller, post-welding station. 8. Flipping system 90 degrees. 9. Main post-welding station. 10. Output conveyor roller, after welding station. This is the material loading unit, with a 5-ton capacity. It lifts flange plates onto the conveyor of post-welding station, and also loads flange and web plates for the web flipping and feeding process of pre-welding station. This is the web flipping system. It handles beams with lengths from 4000 mm to 15,000 mm, web height from 200 mm to 2000 mm, and thickness up to 30 mm. This is input conveyor roller, pre-welding station. The loader places flange plates here for station. The web plate is placed onto the web flipper, then flipped into a T-shape to feed into station for beam assembly. This is the main pre-welding station, consisting of the welding torch module and the pressing straightening module. The welding torch performs both tack welding and full welding. It supports high-speed fly tack welding without stopping. A laser sensor is mounted on the welding head for seam tracking during beam assembly. After the beam is assembled and welded, it is transferred to output conveyor roller. Flipping system 90 degrees, which rotates the beam and transfers it from pre-welding station to post-welding station. After the 90-degree flip, the beam moves along a chain conveyor to feed into post-welding station. This is the web flipping system 2. After the beam is transferred from station 1, this flipper lifts it upright to begin assembly and welding of the remaining flange at station 2. This is the main body of post-welding station, which performs the same functions as pre-welding station. It also supports fly tack welding and uses laser-guided tracking during beam assembly. After welding is complete, the finished beam is transferred to the output conveyor roller of post-welding station.